Stutter, who is your supervisor?
What's going on? What do you mean, where am I?
Sick and tired of this bullshit today. Once now.
Contact with anyone.
Samuel called her on her voicemail. I'm going to try to call her from the bench.
Hello?
Hi, is this Miss Waters? Yes, this is Judge Nathan Miller.
Is this in regard to the KSG law firm?
Are you responding to that lawyer?
Well, if this is a case on behalf of a minor, should the lawyer be contacting us, not the judge himself? Yeah, we weren't expecting this call, but...
Right out of the gate, tension is already sky high. Someone's clearly frustrated. And in a courtroom setting, that kind of attitude can spiral fast. The real question is this just a bad day or the beginning of a legal meltdown?
I'm sure you weren't.
What's going on? What do you mean, where am I? At the Roger, why does that matter, sir?
Sir, are you available tomorrow morning? Mr. Menchaca, who's your supervisor? Everybody needs to be here tomorrow. He overslept and he is not coming in today. The deputy believes he's a juror. We'll check on that.
I'm pointing it out.
Okay, I know we have, of course he is, both are alternates for women.
So counsel, I'm told there may have been a couple of communications with him this morning. The first one was he overslept. And the deputy told him that was unacceptable and he needed to get himself to the courthouse. Once that happened, he apparently started saying he was not feeling well and he was not coming in.
And it's just going to be a mess. So I would be reluctant to simply, even given the totality of what we've gone through, somebody try to drop the hammer on the record.
Yeah.
Drop the hammer on this guy and see what we can accomplish.
Here's what I think I want to do, because I do want to send a message. I'm going to send the sheriff's office out to pick up.
I think
And
no problem.
That's going to eat up some time today, but
That's quite all right.
let's send a message.
He is home right now.
Okay, let's go in my chambers. I'm sure there's some paperwork I'm going to need to fill out.
Now, this is where things get serious. When a judge considers sending law enforcement to physically bring someone to court, it's no longer a scheduling issue. It's a compliance issue. Courts rely on authority and order, and ignoring that can trigger real consequences. Translation: the judge is about to make an example.
Be back in my staff. Yeah. Right. I have spoken directly with Mr. Jaime. I don't get the feeling that he's sick. I get the feeling that he worked overnight last night and he's tired and he just doesn't want to come in.
Okay.
I told him that he needed to get to the courthouse and he proceeded to tell me that he would try. I said, no, I need you to commit that you're coming down to the courthouse right now. He said, well, I'll try. I said, no, I'm about to send somebody to help you come to the courthouse. What do you mean? He said, I'm about to send out a uniformed police officer to come and help you get down to the courthouse. And then he got a little, I won't say agitated, but it was, okay, go ahead and send somebody for me then. So our staff attorney is in the process of preparing the paperwork and we're going to send out the constable to pick him up.
Okay. I'm sure we're wishing we could go back to Monday and make some different decisions.
This is not a hoax. I'm real, huh?
Yes, I apologize.
No problem.
Just do us all.
No problem. I wasn't expecting to get you on the phone yesterday based on what I was being told by counsel. So I'm glad we were able to get this resolved and everybody down here, and hopefully we'll get this wrapped up today for you, okay? Will it be Ms. Waters and Mr. Mata that will be providing testimony, or just Ms. Waters?
Just Ms. Waters, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Waters, would you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear and affirm that the testimony you are about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right. Whoever's going to lead with questioning, you may proceed when you're ready.
Your Honor, Garden ad litem would like to lead with questioning.
Go ahead, Mr. Malley.
Ms. Waters, this is Tony Malley. I'm on the Zoom. Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I can see you. Thank you so much. We spoke before the hearing. Let's run through the dialogue that you and I had earlier. Do you understand that a lawsuit has been brought on behalf of your biological son as a result of a motor vehicle accident August 23rd, 2021 in Harris County?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that that lawsuit alleges personal injuries to the minor child?
Yes.
You understand that that lawsuit has been resolved, as we call settled, So that resolves all claims arising from the accident on behalf of the minor.
Yes.
Do you understand that the total settlement was $18,000?
Yes.
You understand that the attorney's fees are $4,338.97?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that in prosecuting the claims, the law firm expended $171.67 as expenses?
Yes.
Your son was treated at St. Luke's Health and Texas Cairo Center, which had a total bill of $15,925.65, and those charges have been reduced to be paid back in the amount of $2,692.08. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that there is a Texas Medicaid lien that you'll need to take care of with the proceeds for $522.60?
Yes, sir.
Your law firm will assist you with that. Do you understand that the net proceeds to the minor is $10,797.28?
Yes.
You understand that you and I worked on that, you participated with the structure broker, and that money is going to be used to purchase an annuity payment for your son to get money in the future.
Yes, sir.
And at your selection and at my approval, you came up with a $5,000 lump payment guaranteed age 18, March 18th, 2028, and a $6,175 lump sum payment at the birthday at age 21. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right, I will approve that. I will sign the judgment and the fee report this morning. Counsel, tell me what happened here.
I'm not really sure, Your Honor. It was a miscommunication, and we were just hoping and thankful that we were able to get the status conference completed yesterday, which led to a prompt resolution here today.
Well, I'm glad to see it was resolved, but if I had listened to you all yesterday, you told me we had no way of getting these fine people in communication with us. It took me one phone call to do it from the bench.
Yes, sir.
Don't let this happen again, please.
Understood, Your Honor.
And just like that, the storm settles. What started as confusion and excuses ends in a clean resolution. But don't miss the lesson here. One direct move from the bench accomplished what hours of back and forth couldn't. Sometimes authority doesn't just guide the process, it defines the outcome.